Yo, welcome to another video, guys. This is your boy Hector, well known in the trading space as Limitless. We're gonna be talking about trading psychology. What's behind it? What do you have to know? What should know? And why would you even care about it? So we're gonna start by doing this. All right, what happens on Friday. This is supply and demand zones, a couple of levels and things. I trade in based in supply and demand zones. All right, that's all I do. I can take a look about I don't know 1348 MACD, RSI, and all those things. But majority of the time, I will be just staring at the price action. Right, I will draw my levels. I will draw my supply and demand zones, and I will go from there. But here's the deal: strategy is not all that it goes. That is not the goal. All right, strategy is just a part of the trade. A majority of the trade is about the psychology behind everything. How do you feel? Why would you feel that type of way? And you have to identify how do you feel in the trade, right? And why would you feel that way? Because majority of traders, and this is what separates professionals from beginners or just people that are not professionals, is the psychology behind it. That's all that separates professionals from beginners or amateurs or someone that is not professional. It's all the only thing that separates us. That's the only thing. And why would it say that? Because professionals trade without fear, right? What's fear? But let's just do it right here, guys. What is fear? What is fear? And I spelled it wrong. Fear is an unpleasant feeling triggered by perception of danger, real or imagined. Can we say that again? An unpleasant feeling triggered by the perception of danger, real or imagined. So why would you have why would you have fear, right? On a trade or before and after. Why would you have fear? Why would you have fear? Because here's the thing, guys. We trade in base of probabilities. So you don't know what's gonna happen. I don't know what's gonna happen. Not even the market makers know what's gonna happen. They could trigger a move, but they don't know what's gonna end up doing, right? No one knows what's gonna happen. So why would you have fear if, for real, no one knows? No one knows the outcome. All you can do is prepare for a move that you think is more probable to happen, right? That's all that you have to do. And if you start to trade in base of probabilities without the fear behind it, you will start becoming the great person you should be from the days one. That's all you want, guys. You want to end up trading like you're a fucking robot, right? You want to enjoy the process. This is not a stressful process. People that stress out on trades are because they're not trading without fear, right? And the fear is nothing more than imagination of what could happen if something goes wrong, or just a feeling that you have because you have experienced a bad trade in the past. That's all it is. And the thing is, guys, you need to start thinking about those things. Fear. Why would you have fear? Why would you have fear if no one knows what's gonna happen? Why would you have fear? All you need is a strategy that works. If you prove your strategy, you know the strategy works, right? All you need is to execute in base of the setup. When the setup tells you go in, you go in. You don't hesitate, you don't do nothing else that just go in the trade. All right? Something goes wrong, you see something that is not right, you go out the trade. You don't move stop losses, you don't move levels to give you a little wiggle room, because something is not right. All right? You move in base of that. That's all you have to do. So let's break this down. All right? Price comes right here, right? This zone, the supply and demand zone, it goes up to 415.11, right? We know by fact we are hitting a supply zone, right? We are hitting a supply zone. We're going up here, right? But the price doesn't like that level, right? The next candle start right here and just go up, and it goes back down because it doesn't like that level. We are on a supply level. What would you do as a trader with that type of strategy in trading without fear? What would you do? You will get into a put immediately. Immediately. And what's the goal? Get out on a demand zone. That's all you want to do. Get in on the supply zone and get out on the demand zone. It doesn't matter if it's right here, or it doesn't matter the range of the demand zone. This is your target price, and you will go out immediately after it hits your level. Guys, fear is nothing more than an emotion that you have because something is not going like you want it to, right? When you have a feeling, right? Just a movie in your mind, it's really hard to go by something that is not that. So you really need to start thinking about this is not something that is writing, it's written. It's not written. You don't know what's going to happen. So it's really, really stupid for you to get still and to just stay in a losing trade if you don't know what's going to happen, right? If you don't know what's going to happen, why would you be still holding a position that is a losing trade, that you're losing money? Why would you end up holding that? This is the main thing why traders lose all their portfolios. They hold like they know what's gonna happen, right? They keep just writing all the levels and writing and writing. All right, it should bounce right here. It should bounce right here. It's gonna bounce right here. It's gonna bounce right. It's not bouncing. Get out of the trade. Sometimes you need someone to smack you in the face, right? To tell you get the fuck out. But that's the thing. You don't have that person. You don't have the person that could tell you, yo, get the fuck out of the trade. Or just, yo, take the trade. Take it. It's there for you. It's there. Take it now. You don't have that person. That's why you're failing. So this is what we're gonna do. I'm gonna leave my Discord right down here, and I'm starting a group where I want new traders or just a trader that needs some guidance, right? Some eye-opening things. And I'm gonna leave the Discord right here because this Discord I'll do basically every single day. I'll do a video. I'm very active on the chat, so whenever you need me, I'm gonna be here. All right, so start doing things by probabilities. Stop thinking about that this is gonna bounce. It's gonna do this. When this gets here, it's gonna do this. Don't do that. Don't do that. Make your trades and base of perceptions of probabilities, not something that's written. All right, let's do that. Let's start with that. Feelings are your fucking enemy. This process should be exciting. When I'm on a trade, I'm excited as fuck. This shouldn't be something that fucking gets you emotional or just stress you out. This is not a stressing process. This is a fucking exciting process. You need to see that. If you don't, you need to fucking go right now to the Discord. You need to go right now. We're doing this. We're not charging money. We're doing this because we want a better place. You deserve that shit. And I'm here to give it to you. But you need to use the tools that I'm giving to you. So let's get it, baby. Let's get it. Let's welcome you to the family. Let's do this shit, bro. To the boys on the Discords, I love you guys. Fucking doing this for y'all. Not doing this for me. I don't get nothing from this. All this is for you guys, not for me. I'm already successful. So let's do this, baby. Let's do this. Take care, guys. We will see you in the next one. I love you. Take care. Let's get it, baby.